Hi to all, welcome to my first class on practical geometry, class 7 chapter 10. In this class I am going to discuss construction of a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. Here you have a pair of lines which are parallel intersected by a transversal. Now you can see here the alternate interior angles always equal in a parallel line. By using this concept, we can draw a line parallel to a given line through a point not on it. Now let us discuss a question. Draw a line, say AB, take a point C outside it. Through C, draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compasses only. First, let me draw a line and name it as AB. Now take a point C, not on this line. Let me take it here. This point, let it be C. Now what you have to do is, you have to draw a line parallel to AB through C. For this, take any point, say M on AB. Now join CM. Now with M as center, any radius, draw an arc. M as center, any radius, draw an arc which intersect AB and CM at P and Q respectively. Now with the same radius, with the center C, draw an arc on just opposite side of the previous arc. Now measure the length of PQ. You keep P here and the opening at Q. Now with the same radius, this intersecting point as center, just cut the arc. Let the arc cut at N. Now join CN, you will get a line parallel to AB. So this is the required line parallel to AB. Here is the second question from exercise 10.1. Draw a line L. Let us do it. Here is the line L. Now draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. Let us take a point on L. Let M be that point. Now through M you have to draw a perpendicular that you have learned in the last year. With M as center, draw an arc. Let this arc meet L at P and Q. Now with Q as center and radius more than half of PQ, draw an arc. Then with same radius, P as center, draw another arc to intersect the previous arc. Now join M with this intersecting point and this will be the perpendicular through M. Now what to do? On this perpendicular, you have to choose a point X 4 centimeter away from L. Let us do it. Take 4 centimeter on this perpendicular. Now this point you can take as X. Now through X you have to draw a line parallel to L. Here MX you can take it as transversal. Now with center M already an arc is drawn here with the same radius with the center X, you have to draw an arc on the opposite side. Then now measure the length of this arc. Now with this intersecting point as center, just cut the previous arc. Let it cut at R. Now join X arc. You will get a line parallel to L. Let the line be M. Here M is parallel to L. Here is your third question. Let L be a line and P be a point not on L. Let's draw it. Here L is the line and P is the point not on line L. Now you have to draw a line through P. Draw a line M parallel to L. For that, take a point M on L and join PM. Now, with the M as center, draw an arc with the same radius with the center P. Draw an arc in the opposite side of PM and measure this length of arc, and with this intersecting point as center, just cut the previous arc. Now join that intersecting point with P, you will get a line. Now this line can be named as M. Now join P to any point Q on L. So now we have to take a point Q on L. That is a point Q on L and join PQ. Next is choose any other point R on M. That is, take a point on M and name it as R. Now what to do is, through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. Now with center P, any radius, draw an arc intersecting the arc at PQ and the line M. With the same radius, with the center R, draw another arc in the opposite side of the previous arc. Now measure the length of the arc with the same radius with this intersecting point as center. Draw an arc. Now join this intersecting point with this point R. It will be a line parallel to PQ. Let this meet at S. So S is the point on L. Now what do you want to find out is, what shape do the two set of parallel lines enclose? That is, what is this shape? Yes, PQSR is a parallelogram. So we can write PQSR is a parallelogram. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.